Hey, Jim here from K2 Concepts. I'm going to shoot another video trying to play catch up. We've had a lot of questions. So this one is guys talking about filtration on your tanks. You guys have to understand that you're not going to, the purpose of the filter is not to clean out the water, not to filter the water. You're dumping chemicals in there. Parts may have stuff on them when you're in there in your tank. Your tank's going to sit stagnant. It's going to get dirty. The water's going to get green, if you will. The purpose for the filter, you'll hear us talk about filtration. The only purpose for the filter is to keep the debris out of your sump motor. Okay, that's all it's for. It is not to filter your water. You don't need to put high density filters on it, or cartridge filters, or pool filters, or anything like that. The only reason for the filter is to keep the debris out of your sump. To keep tape, little pieces of tape will get bound up in there. I know, because we just had to clean ours out. It's been 8 years, and last week I noticed the motor was acting kind of funny. While we had the electrical panel out, we were doing a change out. We pulled the pump apart. Sure enough, there's a big, about a 2 foot long piece of tape got through the system, got hung up in the impeller in there. Pulled that thing out, put it all back together, and bam, works just fine. So the purpose of the pump is to clear the water. Okay, that's all it's for, and to cycle it over your heating elements. But your pump should be designed to clear your water. That gets into cycle times, profitability. All this we go over in our class with you guys. We try to teach you guys how to understand the class, how to work with your cycle times, how to improve your profitability. But without getting too much into that, because there are things that I like to teach you guys that nobody else does in the training course. I'm not gonna get too much in depth in that. But I'm going to show you our tank. It's stagnant right now. Okay, I'm going to handle the camera. It's going to get a little fuzzy, or not fuzzy, but jittery, so just bear with me. Don't have a cameraman. It's me shooting videos late, trying to catch up. So alright, first I'm going to do is show you the tank stagnant, show you how it equalizes, and then I'm going to show you how a pump should work, how much water you should be moving. Okay, a lot of guys out there, they're deadheading their pumps, or the pump isn't the proper size. Don't write me and ask me, hey, I got this, and what does it take? I'm not going to tell you. I've done my research. You guys are going to have to do yours. That's part of building tanks and equipment. Not trying to keep it all top secret, but they're, if you're going to do this yourself, then you need to do the research. You need to do due diligence. If not, then you shouldn't be building a tank. And it's not to condemn anybody for building their tanks. It's just that a tank is a lot more than just a tub of water. Again, we get back to saturation. We get back to a properly sized tank is going to keep your water to where you don't have to change it once a month or once every couple months, because of the amount, the mass in the tank keeps it from getting saturated with the chemicals that you're introducing. Okay, you're gonna have to change out your water. That's all there is to it. However, properly designed tank is going to help you keep that down to a minimum, keep your production levels up. So that being said, we'll go over here and take a look at this real quick. This is our tank. You can see that the water level's down. A lot of guys are saying, oh, we're going to raise the water. It's not raising the water. What happens is the water equalizes. On this side, it comes up because it's not being pulled down by the pump anymore. So once the pump's inert, it's off, this level rises. This level on your dipping side goes down because they equalize. Once you turn that on, you'll see this water level drop. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the jets though first. Okay, we're going to turn the pump on. Now see how much water those things are moving? Okay, that's a properly designed pump. Okay, now you're also watching the water level go down on that side. Okay, Now you're going to see a little bit of water because it's not at the proper height. Once the water level raises to the proper height, all your foam's going to go away. See that? There you go. All your foam's gone. Your water's moving, pushing over in the dam. All this doing is catching debris. That's it. It's not filtering the water. It's just catching the excess tape, the excess film, and it's keeping it from being bound up in your pump down there. All right, now as you can see, the water's moving pretty quick across here. Okay, that's what you want. You want this water to clear out, because when you're spraying, you're going to lay down activator, you're going to dip, and then you're going to turn your pump on. That's going to clear the activator out of there for your next hit. Okay, that's all it's for. If you were to not pump it out, you would have excess water, excess activator on the surface of the water, and it will actually attack the film from the back side. So the activator actually lays on the surface of the water like an oil slick. When you turn your pump on, it's going to move that out of there and just get it out of the way, get it to where it can mix with the rest of the water and dilute to a point where it's not effective once it's in your water. Okay? And that's it in a nutshell. So we've had those questions come up. Filtration, again, it's only to keep the big stuff out of your sump. Your pump should be sized properly to move the proper amount of water. When you turn your pump on, it's just to move the surface of the water to get the activator off the surface of the water so you can get back to work again. Put your film in and it won't be attacked from the back side. If you guys are working out of buckets without pumps, all you got to do is just, you know, use your hand to move the surface of the water, get the activator out of there. You can throw your film back down and you can get to work again. I don't recommend buckets, but there's a little tip for you bucket guys. Anyhow, that's it. Real quick, little hydro for the haters. Just, man, I can't believe how hot it got. Join us on the forum, k2forums.com, or you can email me, k2forums@gmail.com. If you have any needs as far as activators, activator guns, clear guns, the K2 Forum shirts, online training, the remote training in Ohio, you can go to K2 Shop online and join us there. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys got your questions answered, got some good information. Hope you're having a good day dipping, and we will talk to you later. Bye.